Hey guys, today I am going to show you how to make a stop motion picture as I promised in the last video, but so let's get started. Okay, so first we will get this app. You can really get any app you want, but honestly I recommend this app. So it's Stop Motion Studio, the name's right there. So you get the app, it's free. I already have it, so let's open that up. And we're in. So you click new movie, and then I don't know what this is. I don't really care, but yeah. So what we do is okay, sorry about that pause, but we will now make the movie. So what you will do is you will point your camera to a certain angle, and you will basically just place something there, like this. Well, I mean, you could place whatever you want, and then you just click this button, this big red thing, and it takes a picture. And then you move it, and then it makes a picture again. And you move it. So the main point of a stop motion picture is, well, basically a picture, but you have to be patient to do this, because if you're not patient, you're just gonna run through and it's just gonna turn in one move. So you gotta just take little steps like this, and it will go. Wait. So it will look like that. I put it really fast because it's more smooth that way. Why you see in my videos, it's 100% smooth. So you're gonna be doing this more, and you fell over. So I mean, I guess you get the idea now. So more. Oh yeah. Well, just be sure to take your hand out. It's really weird. You do another one, and then it will turn out like this. I know it looks really weird, but trust me, if you're good, you'll get it. So I'm not really trying on this one, but you can. So if you click this button, it's basically frames per second. So you can do 30 frames per second, and it's just gonna rush through it, and then you can do 1 frame per second. Since this is 13 frames, this will take 13 seconds to do, and then it will calculate it like right here. So yeah, and then 4 frames per second. I'll put it at 4 frames per second, and you will go back, and then you will do select, and then select this one, and you will upload it to your export movie. And then what you will do is you will go down, and then you will do your editor. So if you do iMovie, that's completely fine. You just click iMovie and it'll take you right there. But I have this other app I like, and it's called Video Shop. Process it. Yeah. And basically, I mean, that's pretty much it. I don't care. But besides, we go back to the App Store. We can, you get Video Shop. It's actually a really good editing app. And why did I just click that update button? But anyway, Video Shop is also a really good editing software. I mean, if you have other ones, I'm pretty sure you know how to edit on those. But anyway, it's really good. I'm pretty sure you love it. Anyway, well, I mean, I guess you know how to do it now, and become a master soon. If you want to see my other stop motion pictures right now, then don't say anything because you can't really say anything. So I've made multiple stop motion pictures because I really love doing these, and this is one I made. This is my first YouTube video, which was a stop motion truck, and I mean it's okay. I could it goes, and then what you could also make it go faster. I'll put it to 10. Then it looks like this. It's kind of smooth, but it's really fast and it's hard to see. So you will just put it at like 7 if you're doing like a thing that's just like a tutorial or whatever. You guys enjoy this tutorial, and I'll see you tomorrow, or not tomorrow. I'll see you whenever I'll upload. So bye now.